Welcome to our guide on how to send a rotated photo on Messenger with the latest updates. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to share your creatively rotated photos with your contacts. To begin, open Messenger on your Android device to initiate the photo sending process. Navigate to the chat where you wish to send the rotated photo to continue with sharing. Select a photo from your gallery, or capture a new one using the in-app camera feature within Messenger. Once you've chosen the photo, you will have the option to crop it before sending. Tap on this option to access the editing tools, including the ability to rotate the photo. After rotating the photo to your desired orientation, you can add a caption if you wish to personalize the message, and then tap on the send button to share the rotated photo with your contact. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily send creatively rotated photos with captions to your friends and connections on Messenger. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sharing your uniquely rotated photos to enhance your messaging experience.